Following the recent suicide of Bengaluru techie Atul Subhash due to alleged harassment by his estranged wife and in-laws, the media has shifted its focus towards matrimonial laws, reporting how they may be tilted in favor of women. However, Supreme Court of India on the 10th of December 2024 in the case of Parvin Kumar Jain versus Anju Jain has issued detailed guidelines related to a maintenance case. This case has large bearing on all such cases, and this case is needed to be decoded for the benefit of all. This provides a comprehensive overview of the Supreme Court of India's judgment in the civil appeal of Parvin Kumar Jain versus Anju Jain. The case arises from special leave petitions (SLPs) concerning maintenance under the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955. It underscores key legal principles relating to maintenance, interim relief, and irretrievable breakdown of marriage, focusing on the husband's financial obligations to his estranged wife and child, even after withdrawing a divorce petition. The appeals originated from an order by the Delhi High Court dated August 1, 2024. The husband, Parvin Kumar Jain, sought divorce on grounds of cruelty after the couple began living separately in 2004. The wife, Anju Jain, sought enhanced interim maintenance, citing increased financial needs due to the husband's rising income. Key legal issues. 1. Jurisdiction of Family Court. The High Court held that family courts retain jurisdiction to adjudicate interim maintenance even after the withdrawal of a divorce petition. 2. Independent provisions. Sections 24 and 26 of the Hindu Marriage Act are independent of divorce proceedings, ensuring financial support for a dependent spouse. Financial obligations and maintenance orders. The initial maintenance of 18,000 rupees per month was revised through successive appeals, enhanced to 20,000 rupees in 2005. Further increased after the wife sought 1 rupee, 45,000 per month, reflecting the husband's increased earnings exceeding 400,000 rupees per month. The family court ultimately ordered 115,000 rupees per month to the wife until the divorce petition's withdrawal, 35,000 rupees per month for the son until financial independence. The Supreme Court emphasized financial transparency and the husband's obligation to disclose his income and assets. Evidence showed the husband was evasive, withholding critical financial information and underreporting his assets, which included properties valued between 2 crore rupees and 10 crore rupees. The court prioritized the welfare of the dependent spouse and minor child, highlighting that financial support should align with the husband's financial capacity and their prior standard of living. Resolution and permanent alimony. After prolonged separation, the court dissolved the marriage under Article 142 of the Constitution. It ordered a one-time settlement of 5 crore rupees for the wife and 1 crore rupees for the son's future needs, acknowledging the husband's substantial financial capacity to support both. Key questions and answers. Q1. What were the grounds for enhancing interim maintenance? The enhancement of interim maintenance was based on 1. Increased income of the husband. The appellant's earnings exceeded 4 lakh rupees per month, including salary, perks, and bonuses. 2. Increased financial needs of wife and child. The wife's requirements grew, reflecting the rising costs and their prior standard of living. 3. Deliberate concealment of assets. The appellant failed to disclose investments, properties, and financial transactions, withholding critical documents to understate his financial capacity. 4. Principles of fairness and equity. The court ensured maintenance was proportional to the husband's financial capacity and the family's previous standard of living. Q2. How did the Supreme Court address the appellant's financial disclosure? The Supreme Court strongly condemned the appellant's lack of financial transparency. 1. The appellant selectively disclosed financial information, concealing investments, properties, and other assets. 2. False representations were made regarding property ownership and business associations. 3. The court emphasized that financial transparency is essential for fair adjudication of maintenance claims. 4. Judicial intervention was deemed necessary to ensure justice, given the appellant's pattern of suppression aimed at minimizing maintenance liability. Q3. What factors did the court consider in determining permanent alimony? The court's decision on permanent alimony considered 1. Income and assets of the husband. As a well-accomplished banker with significant earnings and investments, the appellant had ample financial capacity. 2. Employment status of the wife. The respondent was a homemaker throughout the marriage and financially dependent. 3. Standard of living during marriage. The couple lived in metropolitan cities, affording a high standard of living. 4. Prolonged separation. The couple had been living separately for over 2 decades. 5. Post-separation needs. Ensuring the wife could maintain a decent standard of living was crucial. 6. Child's welfare. The husband's obligation to provide for the son's maintenance until financial independence was emphasized. The Supreme Court's judgment in Parvin Kumar Jain vs. Anju Jain reinforces principles of fairness, transparency, and equity in maintenance disputes. It underscores that financial obligations persist beyond procedural technicalities like withdrawing a divorce petition. By ensuring fair outcomes for dependent spouses and children, the ruling strengthens the legal framework for matrimonial disputes in India. Click the like, share and subscribe button and comments with queries.